You've never drawn a single thing in your life. You can't write a story to save yourself, and you want to make a comic book? Or anytime you tried to create comic book with AI tools, the characters are not consistent throughout the whole comic. Perfect. You're exactly who this video is for, because I'm going to show you how to create a full comic, consistent characters, story, panels, everything, using AI tools. No art skills, no writing degree, no money. Just your ideas and a phone or a laptop. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's go. A year ago, this wasn't possible. Now it is. AI can generate images that look like actual comic art. AI can write dialogue, plot twists, and character backstories. You just have to know how to use it. We are going to do this by following 4 simple steps. 1. Story. 2. Character building. 3. Image. 4. Put together. Think of it like this. You're the director. AI is your entire crew. Step 1. Come up with your story idea. If you have your own story, then that is great. But if you don't, then don't overthink this. 1 character, 1 problem, 1 goal. That's your story. Examples of story ideas. A girl who can rewind time but loses a memory every time she uses it. A boy in LA who discovers his grandfather was a superhero. A robot that feels emotions, but has to hide it from its creators. Doesn't have to be complex. Just has to be interesting. If you're stuck, just ask ChatGPT or Claude AI to help you. Input the prompt. Give me 5 unique comic book story ideas set in LA. Boom. Done. Pick one. For the purpose of this video, I already have a story idea, so I will just input this prompt to Chat. Create a short comic story about a young girl named Lisa who fell madly in love with a guy named Jason. Include dialogue and scene descriptions for 6 to 8 comic panels. The setting should be modern webtoon comics. And there it is. Your generated story. Go through it to see if it needs some adjustment or not. Next step. Build your character. Now we want to know how our character Lisa and Jason look like. So, we go back to Chat and input this prompt. Give the character description of Lisa and Jason. See, it has done that for you. Again, ask Chat to prompt them for you. Save it. You'll use it to generate images. Step 3. Generate your image. This is where we have all been waiting for, the fun part. The software we will be using is Google Flow.ai. Google Flow is Google's dedicated AI creative studio and filmmaking environment. It evolved from an early Google Labs experiment called VideoFX and is designed to move beyond simple one-shot text-to-video generation, offering an entire workspace where creators can build, edit, and orchestrate cinematic scenes. Flow doesn't just rely on one AI model, but rather it offers 1. VO e.g. VO 3.1 handles the cinematic video generation, processing realism, complex physics, and camera movements. 2. Nano Banana/Imagen manages high-fidelity image generation, precise text rendering, and specific frame edits. For the purpose of this video, we will be focusing on image generation. The amazing part of Google Flow is that it's actually free. Go back and copy the prompt for character description to generate the character, Lisa. Paste in your prompt. Check for the desired ratio. Number of generations. Choose Nano Banana 2 and hit generate. Do same for the character Jason. Now the characters we serve as a reference to generate the entire comic scene. Go back to the story and copy the first panel. Go back to Flow and select the reference image and paste the prompt. But I will make a little adjustment by tell the AI who is who. Check your aspect ratio. Decide on the size you want. And let's see what we get. And there you have it. Look how beautiful they look. Do same for all of them. And there you have it. Download the ones you want. Step 4. Put it all together. Now you have panels. You have dialogue. You need to assemble them. Use Canva. It's free. Go to Canva. Choose the comic size. Upload your images to Canva. Go to Template to search for comic template. Go through them and select the one you want. Drop in your AI images. Arrange them like a comic grid. Add speech bubbles using Canva's built-in elements. Go back to the story and copy the dialogue and paste it to the comic bubble. Adjust the bubble to ensure that the text is visible and readable. Do that until you are done with whole comic story. You can change the color of the grid to suit you. That's it. You now have a comic book page. If this video was of any help to you, subscribe, like, and share this video.